25. Not the only you? You've just sat down and opened your textbook. It's time to improve your English reading ability and learn some new vocabulary. But maybe there's another version of you who decided not to study today. Maybe there's yet another version who gave up on studying because he or she decided to become a professional dancer sometime last year. Maybe there's a particularly vulgar one who prefers to rip the pages out of this textbook and eat them rather than use them to master the English language. While this might sound a little crazy, the theory of parallel universes has actually become well established in certain scientific circles. Think of a deck of cards. If you shuffle that deck hundreds of thousands of times, you will eventually get every possible combination. Some experts in the field of quantum physics believe that the same concept applies for our universe. If the universe is infinite, meaning that it goes on forever without stopping, then every possible combination of particles must exist somewhere. Quantum physicists are also encouraged by evidence that matter can exist in two different states simultaneously. In 2010, researchers at the University of California made a tiny piece of metal vibrate and stay still at the same time. If their conclusions are correct, then the reality of our universe is based on observing one of those possible states. The one that we don't see is being observed by someone else in a parallel universe. This process of observing one of many possible different states is what causes our reality to split into different parallel universes. In the simplest terms, the theory of parallel universes assumes that our actions and decisions can be measured on the quantum level. In layman's terms, the decision to eat a hot dog makes particles in the brain react in a certain way. Many of the scientists who believe in the theoretical existence of parallel universes admit that it's probably impossible for us to travel between them. However, 100 years ago, most scientists believed that space travel was impossible. You might just get to meet the version of yourself that became a professional dancer one day after all.